The strength in NIO stock is unabating, up again 10.02%. This is Tuesday, the 26th of August 2025, post market session. The stock has been trending all day as investors' attention intensifies following a fresh upgrade from JP Morgan and growing anticipation ahead of the company's upcoming earnings outcomes and delivery updates. The upgrade has injected optimism into the community with traders actively debating potential price movements and whether the momentum around the stock's new product pipeline can translate into meaningful upside. Much of the discussion is centered on the company's recent model launches, particularly the Firefly brand aimed at younger and more budget-conscious buyers, as well as the ES8, which has been generating headlines with strong reported pre-order numbers. Bulls see these launches as evidence that NIO is pivoting successfully to broaden its customer base while also leaning on its signature battery swap technology to maintain a competitive edge in the crowded Chinese EV landscape. Expansion of battery swap stations, now numbering in the thousands across China, is viewed as a structural advantage that could reinforce long-term demand and consumer loyalty. At the same time, community members are buzzing about unusual trading activity with recent surges in volume, raising speculation about potential short squeezes. The idea is that strong pre-order momentum coupled with renewed analyst optimism could force such short sellers to cover if earnings or delivery numbers surprise to the upside. This has fueled a bullish sentiment with some investors eyeing ambitious short-term price targets. But not everyone is convinced. Bears argue that while pre-orders and product launches grab headlines, NIO's financials continue to tell a more sobering story. Profitability remains elusive, cash burn is significant, and there are persistent concerns about potential equity dilutions to shore up capital. On top of that, China's ongoing EV price wars, macroeconomic headwinds, and regulatory pressures in Europe remain significant hurdles. In short, news stock is riding a wave of speculative and strong trading momentum, but the debate within the community reflects the company's precarious position, a mix of exciting new catalysts and long-term challenges. With upcoming earnings and delivery data on the horizon, the market is now looking for confirmation. Can new turn surging pre-orders and analyst upgrades into sustainable growth, or will it fall back into the cycle of hype and disappointment? There's a good chance that might be what may happen when the disclosure comes out by the 2nd of September. That will be Tuesday. Yeah, this stock has been building up, momentum for a pullback come that day. Maybe that is what may happen. That is what may happen. Yeah, underlying trend bullish. Higher prices expected to remain in place up till Tuesday the 2nd of September. You can see it's actually saying that by Wednesday it's going to decline somewhat. No guarantee that that will be the case. And then after that, it may resume the continue the uptrend. Yeah, usually that's the case. Usually that is likely to be the case if it keeps on building up strength. In anticipation of positive outcomes, and they turn out positive, it will be a case of buy the rumor now and sell the news later. Yeah, it may well be that. So projections are 6.20, 6.9, 7.33. What do we have? 6.99. Yeah. So let's see whether we've had anything more than those before. Okay, we'll have a look at the weekly chart. So let's see what we have. I think the price pressure momentum all robustly bullish. Yeah, let's have a look at the weekly chart to see if there's anything here on the weekly chart. Projections we have saying 5.73 as of the 17th of March. We had 8.09, 9.65, 10.61. Then if you want to go all the way back to January of 2023, we had 19.45, 23.67, 26.29. So there's ample room to the upside for NIO to print. Okay, this is a 4-hour chart. Higher prices are expected to remain in place at least up till Thursday, the post-market session of Thursday. Projections are saying down projection 5.27. We've seen upper projections, we've seen upper projections already. So here everything's robustly bullish as well. For some reason, there's a misalignment. We have usually the 10-period moving average is usually the fastest and tends to hold more value, but the reverse is now the case here. Yeah, we have the 21-period moving average having more than three times what the 10-day moving average, 10-period moving average has. Yeah, some divergence there. There may be reasons for that. Okay, this is the post-market session. Let's see. People are they are trying to, you can see the want to buy. People guys want to buy at 6.69. Okay, they want to buy cheap and hope to sell more, to sell higher. Market is it closed or what? Maybe inactive for some reason. I know I should think that Neo trades in the post market sessions. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of Neo stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.